Railgate, as we were talking about, has reached the Railway Minister's doorstep. But that's not the only case in which Pawan Kumar Bansal is facing some tough questions. Documents with Times Now expose the complete nepotism involving the minister's son, his nephews and his chartered accountant. So is it now time for Bansal to go?
Before we bring you up to date with all the very latest details in our investigation on Pawan Kumar Bansal is a piece of paper that now directly links Pawan Kumar Bansal to the company which got crores of rupees from the bank in which Pawan Kumar Bansal's auditor was a director.
It is the biggest development in Railgate.
This highlighted figure, this is 46,357 rupees which has been returned, 15 lakh rupees outstanding against the name of Pawan Kumar Bansal, and this is the stamp. This is the connection also which you have to look at. This is the stamp of S.K. Gupta and Associates, the chartered accountant of the minister. This minister takes a loan, the chartered accountant in the company Theon. He is also the chartered accountant of Theon. He actually stamps on this paper here.
Documents with Times Now pointing to a direct link with the rail minister.
This is Amit Kumar Bansal. He is the managing director of Theon Pharmaceutical Company. That's the company that has given this 15 lakh rupee loan, and the company's auditor is S.K. Gupta. Amit Bansal also is director on other companies like Bansi Ronak. Mr. S.K. Gupta is also a director on Bansi Ronak, according to these documents that we have got from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
Sunil Kumar Gupta was appointed a non-official director of Canara Bank in 2007, the time when Pawan Kumar Bansal was Minister of State for Finance in UPA 1. 3 years later, Gupta was elevated to the post of shareholder director. During his stint there, the bank extended loans worth Rs 57 crore to the firms belonging to Pawan Kumar Bansal's family and relatives.
Even the sources in CBI say that Bansal has clear links with his nephew's business dealings.
Sources in CBI have revealed that they have already recorded the testimony of 9 accused, and based on their testimonies as well as the phone call records, they are going to prepare a questionnaire, and accordingly the senior officials who are present at the Railway Ministry as well as P.K. Bansal, the Railway Minister, will be questioned.
In the government, sources say it is impossible for him to continue in his current position. In the face of all the evidence, will Bansal be asked to pack up? Bureau Report, Times Now.